You guys, they're so cute. It's like four of them over here. Oh, look at that. Who's that who showed up? Is that a dove? Babe, look, that's a dove. Aww. Y'all can see over here clear. Look. And right in front, we feed them, but we wasn't expecting
right there. Look, all four of them right there.
all the blue jays.
Let them know how the house today would be done.
And look at the pretty little dove. Hi. So many are showing up today. The blue jay. And the quail. So we have dove over here. We have dove, blue jays, quail that visit us this morning. Look at him, so cute. They over there by the table. Ooh, we got some little red robins that popped up. Look at that one. A little red robin. So we got red robin, dove, quail, blue jays. See, that's how you know when you got the blessing, honey. The blessing. The blessing from Yahweh.
The animals come near like Noah.
Yep.
Ark about to come, this flood.
Yep. Look at that blue jay. So cute. It's a whole school of them, like four of them. Oop. Here come Nils. Here come Queen Quail with the crown on her head. Oh, let me get in that video too. Look like a little. The quail's always with us, but today the blue jay and the doves decided to pop up this morning on the bird feeding. Gorgeous. Look at them blue jays. A whole flock of them. They're my favorite. They're so cute and so blue. Thank you, Yahweh. Wow, the whole squad of dove is here. Babe, look at that. Two doves. And they have blue collars on their neck. You too can live in the wilderness. Come up out of your comfort zone and prepare for what's to come. All it takes is faith and trust in Yahweh. That He'll never steer you wrong.